Hi. If you need to take screenshot of the whole web page, then today I am going to show you 2 awesome ways to do it. This is a web page which I need to take whole page screenshot of. But normally I can take some spaces of screenshot. So let's start with method 1. Press F12. Press Ctrl-Shift-P. Now type screenshot. Click on Capture Full-Size Screenshot. And within a second the screenshot is downloaded to your PC. You can see the screenshot. How much you zoom it, it won't lose the quality. I like this method much. Now, method 2. Here, I will be using a software called ShareX. It's a tiny tool. Simply download it and install. After installation, it will in the taskbar. Be on the page and come to the software in the taskbar. Click on it and go to Capture. Then scrolling Capture. And click on it. It will be automatically scrolled down and the screenshot will be ready within few seconds. Screenshot is ready. Click on Save to save it to Documents ShareX folder. Here also, the quality is not compromised. So, these are the 2 easiest ways to take the screenshot of any web page, the whole page. Let me know which one you like the most. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.